Hi there, students. It'll all come out in the wash, don't worry. Okay, this is an idiom that we use in two ways that are slightly different. I think the most common is to say that a problem is not serious and it will be solved in the future. So maybe when you're putting together a new project, there are all sorts of problems, all sorts of difficulties. But don't worry, because it will all come out in the wash. It will all be resolved over time as you work out other different things. Now, we also use this phrase, it will all come out in the wash, to say that the truth will be known in the future. So nobody knows who's responsible for this disaster. But it will all come out in the wash, that over time it will become clear who is responsible. Okay, let's see, if something comes out in the wash, if I've got a red wine stain on my t-shirt, I hope that it comes out in the wash. Yeah, I put it in the washing machine and the stain comes out in the wash. That's the literal meaning of it. But if a problem comes out in the wash, it's resolved eventually with no lasting problem. So he's rather unhappy about this situation as it is now, but it'll all come out in the wash. Yeah, it'll all work out. The problems will be solved in the end. These are just teething problems, and it will all work out. It will all come out in the wash. Yeah. It doesn't matter. It really doesn't matter which way we do it, because it'll all come out in the wash. But then again, you can also use it to say that the truth will be revealed in the future. Look, you can do anything you want or everything you can to try and hide this, but everything comes out in the wash. Eventually, over time, people will know who did it. Yeah, it will be clear who was responsible for it. Okay, so if it comes out in the wash, yeah, it will be exposed. So the lie or something hidden will be exposed. The politicians are always trying to cover things up and hide them, but they always come out in the wash. But the politician is hoping by the time it comes out in the wash, he's no longer responsible. Or to come out in the wash, to have a good resolution. Yeah, the stain in your clothing is washed away. Don't worry too much about this setback. It'll all come out in the wash. Yeah, I know this is a problem at the moment, but the trouble will go away. It'll all come out in the wash. It will, yeah. So this difficult situation will definitely end. It will all come out with in the wash. So this is quite a positive thing. But also it's saying the other way, that you can't hide things. Yeah, no matter how hard you try to hide them, they will eventually be revealed. Her real reasons for doing this will come out in the wash. Yeah, and this might seem like a great big problem now, but it will come out in the wash. Yeah, it'll we will find a solution for it. Okay, so to come out in the wash. Let's see. Formality. This is fairly informal. Let's see. I'm going to give it a 3.5. I think I'm going to give it a 4 in formality. Use it informally. Use it in a semi-formal conversation. Semi-formal writing, just about, but no more. And as I said, the idea of the problem will resolve itself is throw it in the washing machine and the stain will come out. Yeah, it won't be a problem. The other one, I'm not okay, is where it doesn't come out in the wash and everybody's going to be able to see the stain after you've washed it. So anyway, enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye for now. Come out in the wash. It'll all come out in the wash.